Welcome to Frappe Hour with your friendly retired snack bar super, Sarah. What you'll need is a blender, ice cream, milk, and whatever fun toppings you want. Feel free to get as creative as you want, but for today we're just going to make a classic chocolate vanilla frap. So you'll start by putting 5 scoops of ice cream into your blender or whatever you're using to blend up your frap. And then you add your milk. Don't cry over spilt milk, it's okay. And then you're going to blend it up as best you can. And this could take a little bit of time, so you might want to sing your favorite song or wash your hands for the millionth time today while you're doing that. And then you'll pour your frap into your favorite glass. If you made a really thick frap, it can be hard to get out. You might want to use a spoon. But take your time, get it into your glass, and then you'll have the perfect frap. Enjoy!